Good morning, everyone. Myself Shreyas from Slytherin House, and I am going to present you game related by business from Chapter 4. So let's begin. Hello, everyone. So there will be three participants, one from each house. Every participants will go first on currents block, and they will answer one question. If they answer correctly, they will go ahead. If they answer incorrect, they will stand on currents block again. And there are options: chance, library, change mate, and Simon go back. You can as read the rules here, and I will explain you also. Chance. If chance means if you give correct answer, you will go ahead, and if you will not give correct answer, you have to go to library and give the answer. You have to learn the answer and miss two chances and come again to chance and give answer. And change mate, you have to change mate means you have to change a player from your house, but that's compulsory. And Simon go back. If you give incorrect answer here, you have to go back again to start. If you give correct answer, you will go ahead. So let's begin. So from each house, which participants will come? Can you tell me names? Gryffindors. Gryffindors participant.
I will go.
Okay. Ravenclaw. Ravenclaw. Ravenclaw.
Wait
Zainab
1
will
minute.
go.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Hufflepuff.
Om Kate.
Okay. So let's begin. So now you will go on currents block, and everyone will answer each question. If they are correct, they will go ahead. If they are wrong, they will stay there. Karan, you can start now.
Okay, so my first question is name the two distinct traditions of art. Name the two distinct traditions of art.
Om and Isha is
Om.
there.
Om.
Folk art and classical art.
Yes, it's correct.
Everyone can remember their position where they are now. So next question, Karan.
Wait. Can you tell where I am?
You are now on Shubham's block. You will go ahead. Karan, ask question to Hemshran and Zainab now.
Okay, my next question is when did the Maratha style of paintings develop? When did the Maratha style of paintings develop?
17th century.
But when? After, later?
During the latter half of 17th century.
Yes, it's correct.
Now Zainab.
Now my next question is name the two schools of Indian iconography. Name the two schools of Indian iconography.
Everything is from textbook. You can see from textbook and give the answers also.
Mathura school.
And one more.
Okay, let's accept it correctly because she has given one answer. Now Om is on Shubham's block. Shubham will ask you question.
All three of us can answer.
Can you repeat?
All three of us, because I'm also in that
Yes.
block. So can
Yes,
I
yes.
also answer?
Yes, yes.
Can I start?
Yes, yes.
So my first question is the Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur in Karnataka was built in which century?
Can you repeat?
The Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur in Karnataka was built in which century?
Seventeenth century.
17th century.
Correct. Zainab. Zainab will go ahead.
Yes, it. So my second question is Maratha painting is an example of which style?
Art style.
European style.
Art style. It is correct. So my third question is the
Excuse
text
me,
of
Shubham, I'm
yes,
sorry to interrupt. I'm sorry,
yes,
but
yes.
only the three leaders can answer or anyone can answer.
They can pass you.
Anyone can answer.
No,
can
no,
But
only the
They can pass
only
you.
the three leaders.
If they can't answer, they can pass you one time or any other time.
Only
Okay.
once we can pass.
Thrice.
Okay.
Because Isha
So
was
my
raising
third
hand
question
in
is
every. Huh.
the third question is the text of Natya Shastra was written by whom? The text of Natya Shastra was written by whom?
It's for you, Hemsharan, because you are only left.
Natya Shastra.
No, it's wrong.
Can I give to Isha?
Yes.
Sorry, Hemsharan, but I don't know. I didn't even raise the hand.
You have lose one chance.
Shubham, can you repeat the question?
The text of Natya Shastra was written by whom? I repeat, the text of Natya Shastra was written by whom?
Okay, it seems that Hemsharan can't answer, so we will go ahead. And Sanskriti will ask question now. To Om and Zainab.
Just
And
can I try Bharat Muni?
yes, it's correct. You will also go ahead.
Yes, it is correct.
Shall I ask?
Yes.
What are traditions of performing folk arts? Name any three. Should I repeat?
Yes.
What are tradition of performing folk arts? Name any three.
Folk songs, folk instrumental music, folk dances.
Yes. Next one, can I ask?
Can you repeat?
Ask.
Next question, right?
Ask now.
When was Qutub Minar started and got completed? When was
was
Qutub
started
Minar
in
started?
the construction of Qutub Minar was started in 1193 and ended in 1197.
Can you tell the century?
Can I?
12th century.
Yeah, correct. And ended in
1197.
century.
12th.
It's correct.
No.
Now
Can
ask
I?
him. It's correct. It's correct.
No.
13th century,
in
13th century,
another century.
13th century.
Yeah, correct. Yes, correct, correct. Next question. What is style in art? What is style in art?
Shreya, if I'm asking now, I'm in Swara block, right?
Yes.
Your team has done spectacular job, huh, Shreyash?
Means, but the meeting is going to end now, so we can't do full.
Can you repeat the question?
What is style in art?
What,
Isha,
Can I
Isha
answer?
has
what is style in art?
But Miss Isha's Hemshara has given answer, so she can't. Only
Acha, acha.
home is remaining. Home you can pass to anybody else.
अंकिता और जानवी.
Anyone?